right click it. I'm going to open with TextMate. If you're on Windows, you can just open it with Notepad or some other text editing program. And if you haven't got TextMate, you can use TextPad or some other text editor on the Mac. I'll do that now. And let's actually open the script now. What we need to do is look at this first section here, which deals with the directory where the feeds that this script creates are going to be stored on your server, and also the username and password. Now what I suggest you do certainly with the username and password is change that, because otherwise if someone else gets this script or works out that you're running the script on your server, they can log in. So certainly change that to something else. I would make a simple change here for the purposes of this video. I'm just going to put the number 4 there. Now feeds, save directory, the feeds subdirectory. This is the directory where the actual feeds, as to say, that this script creates, where they're actually going to be located on your server. Now I'm going to leave it on the default, which will be the subdirectory called feeds, which will be a subdirectory of the directory that we're installing this. But you may want to change that and put it somewhere else on your server. It's certainly up to you. It doesn't particularly matter where it is, so long as it's accessible, because the feeds that the script creates, we're ultimately going to be using the RSS standalone plugin to submit those feeds, so that the actual feeds directory has to be accessible on the internet. So we can't put it down in a plugins directory or somewhere like that that isn't accessible to from a normal internet page, from a browser in other words. So feeds is probably a good choice, so we'll leave it there for now. So we'll save that now. Save the changes. Okay, next thing we need to do is now upload the entire directory containing the RSSCreator.php and also the feeds subdirectory. We need to upload that, so to do that we'll just go into our FTP program. What I'll do is I'll just make a bit of room here, and then we'll actually just do that now. We'll just upload it. Go back to my Creator script, so I'll go back one step now. So you want to actually click on the entire subdirectory, the entire RSS-feed-creator. I'm just going to drag that with my FTP program. That's going to upload it. Now if you're ready...
I'm just trying to find this directory on my computer. Sorry, I should have but I'm not very experienced with Camtasia. I've never used it before. This is my first time, so I apologize for all this. Let me just find the RSS Pro. Ah, yeah, there it is. RSSFeedCreator. RSSFeedCreator. Feeds. Okay, so I've got this. I'm gonna be installing it in Best Made Online, which I've done it before. Obviously, it didn't work for me, but RSS feed. Let me see if I could locate it on my directory. No, can't see it here. This is strange. RSS. What is it? RSS feed creator. RSS feed creator. Anyway, what is this? RSS feed creator. There it is. All right. So it has been. There it is. So RSS feed creator. I'll just overrun it anyway. RSS feed creator. Right click, upload. I just do it anyway. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. I think it's done. File transfer successful. I'll play more of
a different FTP program than me. The actual operation of how I did that may be different. You may have to select upload, or you may not be able to drag it, but essentially just do whatever you would normally do with your FTP client to upload that entire directory. You can see now there that it's actually finished, so we can actually go and have a look at that now. We click on here, we've got RSS-feed-creator directory. Click into that. Now the one change you do need to do, we need to give full access to the feeds subdirectory. So to do that, I'm going to right click that and click on Get Info. It may be titled Properties, or you may have a different button or a Get Info button, etc., depending on the FTP software you're using. But it's just the button that gives you more information about a directory or a file. Now we need to change this to 777. So there's two ways of doing that.
Well, team, here it is. Here is the directory, and here I clicked on the right mouse, and I'm trying to find the notepad. You see, there isn't one. The only one I have is file permission. As you can see, it has been downloaded on using my FTP FileZilla onto the domain. It is now sitting in the domain, and you see, like you've got in your you clicked on notepad. I don't have any notepad here. You see, the only thing I have, as I can see, is file permissions, and that's the only one I've done. Even if I click it now, you see, I'll try I think you want there 777 1 2 3. Anyway, I'll run the video again just to see.
You either just click on all the buttons, which will change to 777, or if you had the option in your FTP program, you could have just typed 777. So we'll click Apply. Okay, so that's done. The last thing.
Okay, team, I've done what you instructed me to do on your video. Now, if I go back on Feeds, right click, and File Permission, you probably will see that nothing changed. And this is my point. You see, it has not changed. For some reason, I am doing something wrong, or maybe I don't have facility for, because this is just a PC, not a Mac. So here we go. You see, I got download, add files to queue, and a directory, create directory, delete, rename, copy URLs to clipboard, and file permissions. So this is my point. You see, when I click on file permissions, I put 777 as you instructed me. Everything is clicked. I can't even do this. Apply to all files and directories. Apply to files only. Apply to directories only. I guess I could do that. Or I'll try to do this. Apply to all files and directories. I don't know what I'm doing here, but I hope this video works so you could tell me, okay? I'll stop it now and I'll see the outcome of this video.